Okay, if you have Ring cameras or a Ring doorbell, this saved me so much annoyance. You know when your Ring battery dies at the worst time and then you have to wait for it to recharge? That was driving me crazy. So I started using this 2-pack battery set with dual charger. And honestly, this is why I like it, because you can charge 2 batteries at the same time. And it comes with a standard USB-C cable for convenient charging anywhere. It also has indicator lights so you know exactly when they're done charging. When they're done charging, it will no longer blink. These batteries are compatible with many Ring products such as the Doorbell 234 and the Ring Spotlight camera and stick-up cams and spotlight cams. And now with this setup, instead of waiting for one battery to charge, I just swap in a charged one and I'm back up immediately. For me, it's just one of those things that makes owning a Ring battery-powered camera or doorbell way easier. If you're sick and tired of downtime or charging one battery at a time, this is a small little upgrade, and I'm thankful for the brand for gifting it to me to try out.